While setting up an online store, one of the first things or steps you need to take is to add products to your store. In this video, we'll be discussing how to add products to your Woocommerce online shop or store. But before then, subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the notification icon so that anytime we upload any new educational content, you'll be able to receive it. So let's go on with today's lesson. WooCommerce offers different types of product types such as simple, group, virtual, downloadable, affiliate, and variable products. In addition, with the help of plugins, you can create unique product types such as subscriptions, bookings, memberships, etc. You can find more details of product types on our website prostechnologies.com. Now let us focus on how to create a simple product on our e-commerce store. When you get to the admin panel, you will see the dashboard as usual. So there's an option to import a product to your store. You click on the product, create product button to start. When you get here, you have an option to add a new product name. You type in the name of the product you want to post on your website, and then you scroll down and then you add your description. When you get to this product data section, you select which type is associated with your product you want to post on your website. So regular price, you type the price that you wish you would have sold the product for, and then the sale price is actually the main price you are selling them for. Okay, you can also schedule the sale to a specific time so that within that time frame the sale price will be different. After that, it will come back to the normal price. And then if you want to add a tax to it, you also select tax. Okay, now you move to the inventory section. We have the SKU. So it's a unique identifier associated with the product that you are posting. You can add it by yourself. You can manage your stock by taking the enable stock management, and this will help you to be able to the number of quantity you have on a product that is on your shop. And then you also say whether you allow back orders on your store or not. And then you also set the low stack threshold. In case your product is about to finish, the system will automatically notify the administrator that this product is about to finish because you've already set it that you have a quantity of 20, and so when you get to 2, you should be notified of this. Okay, so the next thing we go to the shipping. With the shipping, you will be able to enter the weight of the product, the dimension of the product, and then the shipping class that you have in your system. You can choose to create the shipping classes you want to create on the system to be able to make your shipping more easier. Attribute section is where colors, types of the products, and then you have them in sizes. This is where you state all those items. You can find more information product in the advanced section. You can add a purchase note to the customers who purchase the product, which will help you to leave any important information to the customer or any important information the customer needs to know after buying your product. You can specify a custom ordering position for the customer, and then you can also activate your reviews and allow the customer to provide a review for the product they just purchased on your website. The next field is you provide a short description of the product. The text you enter here will display on the shop page, that is on the main website. Go to your categories you might have created before, so your categories will display here, or you can create a new one. Similarly, you can add your tags as well. And then product image. The product image is the image that displays on the main screen of your website. And then the product categories are other pictures of the product. Okay, so other pictures you add to the product. The images that you upload in the gallery are other pictures of the product. Go to the publish panel, you click on edit, and then you have more options. Now these options will help you to either select shop and search results, or shop only. The item should display in the shop only, or it should display only when people search for the item, or the item should be hidden. So all these options are there, and then you choose your priority. If you want to make the product a featured product, this featured product will be promoted with more emphasis on other pages as well. Everything is okay and fine with you, you can publish it. You can publish the product on your website. So this is how your product will look like. The next is grouped products. So group products is a collection of multiple child products. You can create a group. You have to select the group product from the product type from the drop down, and then you select your linked product section. You can specify the group that you are working with. Now, virtual products. If you are creating a virtual product, you have to tick on the virtual checkbox, and then you have the options for virtual. So when you enable this, the shipping settings will no more be applicable to the product. Downloadable products. So downloadable product can be created by enabling the checkbox as well. When you enable this, a few more settings will be added to the general section of the product data bar. You notice that we now have downloadable file, which will allow you to upload the file that when the person makes payments, you will be able to download the file, and then you can select the number of times then the file can be re-downloaded when the person received the link on their email. And then you can also specify when the downloadable file will expire. Affiliate products. With affiliate product, you can select it from the product data type, and then you can input the external URL that will direct customers to product to go and buy. You can also customize the button text to display any text you want to display. Variable products are complex product types that you can create in Woocommerce. Based on their attributes and values, you can create multiple variations of the same product. Each of these variations will have its own SKU, price, and stock levels. Once you create the products, after you have finished creating your product, you can access them by clicking on products and then clicking on all products. You'll be able to see all your products. When you hover your mouse on the product name or drag your mouse over the items, you'll be able to see view, you'll be able to see edit, you'll be able to see quick edit. Hopefully this video has helped you to be able to understand or get a basic understanding of adding product to your WooCommerce. Check out more WooCommerce tips on our website prostechnologies.com. If you have any question or comment, kindly comment below this video. Thank you.